Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we're going to discuss our third question. So what is that here? One contractor want to build a slide for the kids to sliding. So at the height of 2 meters, slide is kept at the height of 2 meters and it is making angle with the floor 30 degrees. So that are the things we have to find. What is the slide length? What is the slide length? Okay, so let's going to take in triangle ABC, what is that? Slide kept at the height. Slide kept the height. What is the height? AB, that will be equal to 2 meters. Then slide making angle. So what is the angle of elevation, right? That is up. This is horizontal line. Above it is there. Angle making by slide at the floor. So what is that? That will be angle C will be equal to 30 degrees. So we have to find what is the slide length. So this is slide. So BC is length. So we have to find the slide length. Slide length will be, that is BC. Slide length will be equal to BC. We have to find that one. So what is this here? So here they are given opposite side and hypotenuse relation. Which trigonometric ratio we have to use here? Opposite and hypotenuse, it is compulsory with the sign. So let's going to take, this is theta. Sin theta will be equal to, what is that? Sin theta, let's going to write it. Sin theta will be equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So sin theta means sin 30 degrees. Opposite side is what for this degree? Opposite side is AB. Then hypotenuse is what? BC. So here BC is the height. So BC will be equal to, let's going to write, sin theta will be equal to 1 by 2. AB is equals to what? 2 by BC. Then cross multiplied. So BC into 1 will be equal to 2 into 2. We can write BC will be equal to 4 meters. BC will be equal to 4 meters. Therefore, what you can write it here? Slide length. Therefore, slide length or length of the slide will be equal to, BC will be equal to 4 meters. 4 meters. So this is the way to find the solutions, whatever it is. You should not consider the right angle, that is 90 degrees, only other two angles. Based on that, we have to find the trigonometric ratios. This is the way to find, and if you have any doubts, please comment below. We'll react immediately and try to share with your friends and family members. And thanks for watching.